Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. In this question, we're going to look at the key part of the question, which is the question itself, which is 689 plus 38. Now, this is the first question on the SATs paper for paper 1, and for your first question, it's quite a tricky question to start with. There have been easier questions to start with, but addition is one of the easier topics to be able to add. So some students will be able to look at that question and just know the answer, but I would say the majority of children will look at that question and think, oh, I don't know what the answer is straight away. So they will have to use a written method in order to be able to get the answer. So your key facts, to be able to get the mark, so this question is worth 1 mark. Remember, you need to write your answer in this box here provided. Your key facts are that you need to use column notation. And when we use column notation, it means we need to line up the place values. And our place values are our thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So in this question here on the 689, it tells you as you read the word, this is your hundreds column because it's 600s. 80, this is a tens, and the 9 is just a number on its own, so this is for ones. So we've got hundreds, tens and ones. You need to find out what these two are, and then you need to write them underneath in the correct column places, so they're lined up, and then you can add. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic, so hopefully you have added up these two numbers correctly. Remember, when we add up, we always start on the right hand side, so we always start with the ones column. Okay, so the furthest thing on the right is where we start when we add. So we've got to do 9 plus 8. Now you can use your fingers if you need to work out what 8 plus 9 is. Start with 9 and then count 8 more on. Or you can think, I know 8 plus 8 because double 8 is 16 and 9 is 1 more. So add 1 more on is 17. There are numerous ways to be able to get the answer 17, as long as you can add together 8 plus 9, or you could do 10 plus 8, which gives you 18, and then take away 1 because 9 is 1 less than 10, so that again gives you 17. Now, when you come to carry the 10, it is personal preference where you carry the 10. Personally, I like to carry the 10s up here, but some people like to draw another line underneath and put the 10s underneath. Personally, it doesn't matter where you put them, it's personal preference as to where you carry your 10. So here's my 10 I've carried in here. I like to keep it here, so when you're adding these numbers up here, you remember all these numbers here to add together, so you don't forget about the one underneath. So 9 plus 8 we said was 17, so here's the 110 and the 7 ones is here. Then we've got 8 plus 3 plus 1. So again, you can use fingers if you need to, or just work them out. You could do 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more takes you to 10, then you've got 2 left to take you to 12. Or you could have done 8 plus 3, you can count on from 8, 3 which takes you to 11, add 1 more, again gives you 12. So we need to carry the 1 over here and the 2 goes underneath. From here, we've got 6 plus 1 is 7. Remember to write your answer in the box. So we have got 727 for 1 mark. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. This question was worth 1 mark, so the 1M means 1 method mark for getting the answer 727. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe and tell your friends. Make sure you help yourself and help others to get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.